fun.
The things we got to do, this AI has created a whole other set of problems, and like workarounds, like the way we think, or the jokes. It's like created a whole like world of like, everybody understands this. Like having like having a keyboard that's got three keys on it. Like we all get that, what that's all about, right? That's like in the last 2 or 3 months, that's a thing. That's funny how things develop out of these new technologies, new jokes, new inside things, and frustrations. The word like fluff. Everybody knows what fluff is. Like
Hmm. Back in the day with like the first AI app builders and coders, I would play around a little bit. I would test something. It was more just the front end, what looks pretty. Okay, cool. There's some buttons. I have a concept, and then I would just kind of put that project aside because I lost motivation for it. But actually seeing that it can execute at a higher level, that it can build a functioning app, I see where people lose 3, 5, 8 hours into a project where they run out of credits, where they're basically just head in the sand, just really, really freaking working hard trying to push something out. I totally get that now. I see why people are diving deep.
And now I'm pacing
Yeah.
myself. Like I'm trying not to run out of credits. So then if I know the limit's Friday, I got a shit ton of coding to do to like make up. Like, so when it resets, I feel fresh and didn't waste any of it. It's so dumb. And the other thing
Well,
is when I build an app and I'm like my dashboard I have right now, I still have the habit of wanting to do everything in my terminal and I hate it. Like I have a whole workstation I made and I still just want to ask the terminal everything. It's so dumb.
Any of you has a fear of missing out? Like we have these amazing things today, maybe it's gone tomorrow. So I need to do everything now, else maybe I cannot do it anymore. And the fact that Claude became dumber shows that we had an opportunity moment where he was very smart. You can do certain things, and now you cannot do them anymore. So it's a
So
little
true.
bit also true.
It's
That's a
definitely
really good
dumber.
point. And didn't they
it,
remove Cloud Code as well from the Pro subscription?
Yeah.
For 1 week and then put it back.
Really?
Well,
Bad
it's going to be
move.
gone next month after this
Damn.
podcast when we
Oh
predict the
yeah,
future
there's
again.
well, here's the thing. For me, I'm not building stupid stuff anymore. Because now I'm a little bit more careful. Like now I'm using my credits and my tokens for actual paid work. So I'm not screwing around like I was in the beginning. I was like, let's build everything. Oh!
Right.
It's like unlimited. Like
Right.
no, it's not unlimited. Like
Like, all right, but what if my face was on the body of Godzilla and you also did this? Or like, okay, that's the fun nonsense we're doing in the background.
Dude,
but
actually, I created a T-shirt that was like that. It was like Heisenberg Godzilla with the waves, Japanese style. So I made a T-shirt out of that.
something I did, I went back to the starting point. So the first project I started doing with AI, when AI was very limited, we're talking at the day zero really. And from there I started diverging in other projects, other things that I never finished because there is always something else that is interesting to do. Well, the other day I said that's enough. I don't wanna. I go back to the starting point, and this is being triggered by the fluff website of Eisenberg that I was doing the not calling fluff it, but doing the same things like a small place where I can put together all the small applications that I do because they get lost. And so I went back to that to the initial project, and I feel much better. And